somebody is buying regardless of all the technicals, regardless of supply and demand. And I think that what they're really doing is they're shifting from US dollar notes into gold, and gold is going up much higher, much faster than it would typically. Uh, I don't know if I remember a time that gold has gone up 7 days in a row, but as of yesterday, it had gone up 7 days in a row. At this point, I would really like to see a correction. And we've got a correction going today, but it's only down like $8. Now, if it was down $50 today, I would say, okay, we've had a top. But everything that I'm seeing says this is just the start of a massive rally. Now let's go back to silver. Okay, the question should be, in what investment do you get the goofiest investors?
Silver.
That would be silver. I love silver. I own a lot of silver, but
Me too.
silver bugs are nuttier than a shit house rat. Okay, they're just absolutely crazy. Back in early 2011, somebody who had written a big piece about silver uh, sent me the piece, and I read the piece and thought, okay, well, that's kind of interesting. And he got in touch with me and said, look, that piece has been all over the web. Over 500,000 people have read it. It is the best piece anybody has ever written about silver. I said, well, that's nice. But I said, tell you what, if you would write a piece about how dangerous it is to own silver when it tops, I would print that. Now, here's what's crazy. Anybody that's followed gold, silver, the S&P, Dow, corn, wheat, lumber, anything, nothing goes down faster than silver. When silver tops, it falls right off a cliff. And of course, silver bugs get caught every single time. There are guys who are considered gurus who are saying in 2000 that if the United States ever got into another war, silver being the most critical war metal would go to $50 to $100 an ounce all by itself. Nothing else would go up, just silver. So let's see. We had Iraq, we had Syria, we had Afghanistan, we've got Gaza, we've got
Russia.
I mean, silver should be like $500 an ounce right now.
Right.
But and I do own the silver. I mean, I will cater. I buy things because they're cheap, and if you look at the gold silver ratio, it's about around 90 to 1 relative to gold. Silver's cheap. That's why I buy silver.
Right.
Silver gets to 20 or 30 to 1 on gold. I'll be selling silver and buying gold. But silver literally exploded yesterday. It was up over $1 an ounce. It crossed $27, and it's a breakout. And after a short correction, I think silver is going to go much higher.